everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today you might hear some thunder going on outside. You might see some flashes of lightning. We've had some horrible weather here today. Don't be alarmed. The tornado watches and the tornado warnings are over as far as I'm aware. So hopefully we won't have any of that nonsense, but thunder and lightning, we might have that. Lions, tigers, bears, oh my, we might have that too. But you know, you just never know what you're going to get here on my channel. Anywho, enough of the weather reports. I am here to give you my update for Nightmare on Painting Street. It is a PANtastic Ladies collab, and I had a loose hair. This is a year-long project within the PANtastic Ladies collabs Facebook group, but once it goes live, it's open to anyone that wants to join in, even if you're not part of the Facebook group. It was created by Val and Jalon. Of course, they're going to be listed down below, along with everyone else that has joined in. There's a spreadsheet, and there was 40 prompts, all horror movies, and like each horror movie had a specific prompt, and you chose your product based on that prompt. And I am attempting to do all of them. I'm rolling in some every update, whether I finished any or not, and so I will be rolling in some more this time. Thankfully, I do have 2 rollouts, which is always a good thing. So let's get into this update. I'm just going to go in order because I started with, I want to say like the top 13, and then I just keep adding a few in every single time. Again, I want to get them all done. I realize now that if I want to get all 40 done, that I have to do like usage goals, because there's no way I can finish 40 products in this, especially when I'm rolling them in late into the season. So we'll see how this goes, because I only have until Halloween to get her all done, and I haven't even rolled them all in yet. So I'm only going to go over the ones that are either still in this project that have any kind of progress on them. I'm not going to talk about the ones that are in the project that I haven't, or the ones that I've already finished and rolled out. So the first one is the movie Halloween, and that is a set of sheet masks or a full/deluxe size mask. I went with a full size mask. I don't do sheet masks, not on purpose anyway. I chose the Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor Exfoliating Clay Mask. I actually did this today, not even thinking about the fact that I was updating it today. I just wanted to actually do the mask today. So I was here last update, now I am down here. I'm happy to be making some progress on this. It is such a lovely mask. It works like a clay mask, but then once you are washing it off, you just get it a little bit wet and you massage it in, and it's got like grit to it. It's nice grit though. I don't know how to explain it, but it's nice. It kind of reminds me of a clay mask mixed with the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. It's kind of like a combo of the two. I'm enjoying it quite a lot. Next is for the movie The Conjuring. You don't know what possessed you to purchase this item. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in Peach for color correcting. I don't have dark circles under my eyes, so I don't need to color correct that. I don't know why I thought I needed this in my collection. So I've actually been using this to franken some of my foundations just a little bit darker. So I do have a little bit of progress. It was at 13 grams. It's currently at 11. I do still have a little bit of that foundation left, so it's technically not what's out of here isn't technically finished, because I do still have a little bit in that foundation. So I'm not going to consider this done until everything that it's in is done, if that makes sense. All right, moving on to A Quiet Place. It is a product that makes you speechless. This is the Exuviance Targeted Lip Filler. Speechless because I don't talk when I have it on. You can see all my progress lines. Slow, 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 and steady. I am finally here at this light blue right here. It's going to take me the entire project to get this done. I still can't tell if there's an air bubble in it or not. I don't, if there is, I think it's tiny, but I'm definitely making some progress on it. I mean, you can see that it is definitely getting skinnier, but it's just going to take a bit. All right, moving on to The Invisible Man. It's something that erases either a primer, concealer, foundation, powder, etc. I brought in this primer. It is the Catrice Prime and Fine Keep Me Matte, and I'm making good progress. I was here last time, and now I'm down here. If this is not done by the next update, and it probably won't be, I'm probably going to be like real close to getting done. So if I could stop throwing things. 2 updates, I think this one is going to be done. Skipping over a few of them, we're going to go on to Amityville Horror. It is a purchase that haunts you, and it's because I didn't actually purchase this. It was sent to me instead of what I actually purchased, and I'm stuck with it. And I have 4 of them. This is the Majesty 6-pan highlighter. Have not used it a ton, but I have, if you notice, I have scraped some out of here. I've actually frankened a little bit into a lotion. So that lotion will be coming up in another project, in a Franken project. So I frankened it with something that's not in a project yet. So again, it won't be counted as done until whatever it's in, it gets done. But the weird colors, like the super dark, that would never work on my face. This gold would never work on my face. I figure I can probably franken the pink. I don't know. We'll have to see. That might end up with the yellow gold. We're going to see how it goes. I don't feel bad frankening it in lotion because I didn't actually purchase that. So you know how that goes. It was a mistake. Not made by me. It was a mistake by Shop Miss A. All right, so moving on. And yes, I want to finish that whole thing before Halloween, which is why it's got to get frankened. Next one is Scream, an item that makes you scream with delight. Wow, I forgot to pull it out. It's right here. It's all good. I don't have a line on it because I forgot to pull it out. But this is hair care. Hair care is my thing now. I used to not think twice about my hair at all, and now I'm like obsessed with having like just the right hair care products. And I love Shea Moisture. This is the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. I prefer the smoothie over the milk, but I still really like this one a lot. I actually do have it in my hair today. Here's my lines. I was here last time. Now I'm down here. I will mark that as soon as I am done filming. Had a loose hair stuck to it. Ew. It's my hair. It's clean. It's all good. So that one's definitely going to be done by the next update. I'm like shedding today. It's probably because it's wash day. I just washed my hair. It's still pretty damp. That always happens. Next is Alien, something that is one of a kind or an alien in your collection. That is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I never had anything like this one. Never had anything like. I've only been using it to lighten my brow bone area. And I'm gonna probably not line this up super well, but you can see I have little baby marks right here, and I think it's just because I am only using it on my brow bone. When I first brought it in, I did try to use it all over my lids, but I have oily eyelids, and so I was getting some creasing, and now that it's warmer, today not included, it's just too creamy for my eyelids this time of year. Who knows, when it cools down, I can do that again. I do not think I'm going to finish this before the end. I don't have a specific usage goal on this, but I know I'm not going to finish it. Let's be realistic. I'm not going to finish it before the end. I just really wanted to put it in here so it could get used, and this is a potential. I can finish it some other time. I'm getting a good start on it. Next one is one that is rolling out. That is Poltergeist, something that is always there. Something you always have in your makeup or skincare routine. For me, there's quite a few things like that, but for the purposes of this project, I chose a matte cream eyeshadow because that's what I always use to set my brow bone. I only set from like just above my crease up, and it was this, I believe it's coconut cream. And I just wanted to hit pan, so I have that right there. It was brand new when I brought it in, so I'm happy that I have a shadow that has some pan on it. That'll be a future finish, but not right now. The next one is Frankenstein. It's a Franken product, and that is also rolling out. It is this lavender eyeshadow, and I just wanted to hit pan, which I did. It was very easy to hit pan. It had good usage on it. So I'm happy to have that roll out. And then the last one that is continuing on is Dracula. It's a product that sucks the life out of you. I found this very humorous. This is the Skin Fix spot treatment. So like if you have a breakout, it like sucks the ick out of your face. It just made sense in my brain. I've used this twice of 5 uses, so it's going to continue on. We'll see if I get the 3 other uses. I just haven't had a need for it. I use it only when I need it, which is why I only set it at 5 uses. So there you go. All right, I'm going to bring in the next 3 prompts, all for usage. The first one is Lost Boys. It's something that makes your face look not dead. So I am bringing in the... Who made this one? It's Milani, because I depotted it. Of course, it makes it harder to remember what things are. This is the Hermosa Rose Illuminating Face Powder. I figured an illuminating face powder would make me look not dead, so that's what we went with. I know what you did last summer. It's something you purchased in a past summer. This is many, 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 many summers ago when my sister-in-law actually worked for Bare Minerals, which was like an actual store in one of the local-ish malls. It's about an hour from me, but it's kind of local. So this is I bought this in the summer when she was working there. This is Bare Minerals Sundress. It is a pretty yellow. I'm on a yellow kick lately. And again, it's only for usage. Let me get a swatch of it for you. It is so stinking pretty. It's got like a teal green shift. I don't know if the shift is going to show up on... It's probably not going to show up. I can't tell in the viewfinder because it's not big enough. Hopefully you guys can see the shift on that. If not, well, I apologize. I apologize. My filming skills aren't the greatest. So that is Sundress from Bare Minerals. That is in for 5 uses. So the illuminating powder, 5 uses, and the eyeshadow for 5 uses. And then the next movie is Get Out, a product you want to get out of your collection. It's going to be usage, but I would like to get this out of my collection eventually. Sooner, if at all possible. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Vintage. Oh, looks like that. Let me give you a swatcheroo. It's not a bad gloss, but I just would rather get it done. Oh, look, now you can kind of see the shift. This is the lip gloss right there. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Those are the 3 that are rolling in. I've got to wipe this off so that I don't end up with it all over myself. That's for 10 uses because that's just how bad I want it out of my collection, that I'm doing extra uses on that one. And those are the 3. That is it. That is my update. Whoa, I blew through that. So we'll see if I can have some empties for the next update. I definitely think, what was it? I like totally lost my train of thought. The Curl and Style Milk. Wow, Jessica, your brain is just fried tonight. So I definitely think that is going to be done. Potentially the Catrice Primer. We'll see. I feel like I didn't get as much usage on this because I did have some no makeup days in this month because of the whole neck issue and some other issues. So hopefully we're going to get through all that, and I won't have as many bad days. I feel a little better. I'm not right, but we're getting better. We are getting better. So crossing my fingers that we will have some rollouts next month, and we're definitely going to have some roll-ins. It's just going to happen because I'm going to keep rolling it in. Because I have a lot more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 more movies to roll in. That's a lot. So I might have to roll in more than 3 next month. We'll have to see how it goes because I don't want to roll things in September in order for them to be done in October. I don't have time to get stuff done if I do that, so I'm gonna have to really think about adding some more stuff in. Who knows? Maybe I'll go all in next update. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see how the progress on the other stuff goes. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up because I'm just rambling at this point. Definitely go check out Val on Instagram. Jaylon is on both Instagram and YouTube. Everyone that's joined in all that good stuff, all the details, everything's going to be down there. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.